Alright, language explorers. So, Julius Caesar, Act 1, Scene 1. Rome, a street. Enter Flavius, Moreus, and a throng of citizens. Hence, come, you idle creatures, get you home. Is this a holiday? What, know you not? Being mechanical, you ought not walk upon a labouring day without the sight of your profession. Speak, what trade art thou? Why, sir, a carpenter. Where is thy leather apron and thy rule? What dost thou with thy best apparel on? You, sir, what trade are you? Truly, sir, in respect of a fine workman I am, but, as you would say, a cobbler. And what trade art thou? Answer me directly. A trade, sir, that I hope I may use with safe conscience, which is indeed, sir, a mender of bad souls. What trade thou, you knave, thou naughty knave, what trade? Nay, I beseech you, sir, be not out with me, yet if it be out with you, sir, I can mend you. What mendest thou by that? Mend me, thou saucy fellow. Why, sir, cobble you? Thou art a cobbler, art thou? Truly, sir, that I live by this with the all. I meddle with no tradesman matters, no woman's matters, but withal I am indeed, sir, a surgeon to old shoes. When they are in great danger, I recover them. As a proper man as ever trod upon neat leather have gone upon my handiwork. But where art not in thy shop today? Why thou'st not lead these men about these streets? Truly, sir, to wear out their shoes, to get myself into more work. But indeed, sir, we make holiday to see Ceasar, and to rejoice in his triumph. Whereupon rejoice? What conquest brings he home? What tributes follow him to Rome? To grace in captive bonds his chariot's wheels? You blocks, you stones, you worse than senseless things. Oh, you hard hearts, you cruel men of Rome. Know you not Pompey? Many a time oft have climbed the walls and battlements, to towers and windows, yea, to chimneys top. Your infants is in your arms, and there have set the living day with patient expectation. To see great Pompey pass the streets of Rome. And when you say this chariot appear, have you not made a universal shout, that timber trebled underneath her blanks, to hear replication of her sounds made in her concave shores? And do you now put your best attire? And do you now call out a holiday? And do you now strew flowers in the way? That comes in triumph over Pompey's blood, be gone. Run to your houses, fall upon your knees, pray to the gods to intermit the plague that needs must shine on in this ingratitude. Go, good countrymen, and for this fault assemble all the poor men of your sort. Draw them to the Tiber banks, and weep your tears into the channel, till the lowest stream do kiss the most exalted shores of all. See whether their basest metal be not moved, they vanished, tongue-tied in their guiltiness. Go you down that way towards the Capitol. This way I will disrobe the images, if you find them decked with ceremonies. May we do so? You know 'tis the feast of Lupercal. It is no matter. Let no images be hung with Caesar's trophies. I'll all about and drive the vulgar from the streets. So do you, where you perceive them thick. These growing feathers plucked from Caesar's wing will make him fly an ordinary pitch. Who else would soar above the view of men and keep us all in servile fearfulness?